Hey everybody, it's JJ Conway. I'm so excited about my new Puro Co. soaps. I ordered them, the travel pack, as part of a free bonus from the Ultimate Bundles homemaking kit. And they just arrived and I can't wait to open them up. And then I thought, I'm so excited, let me just share it with the world. So when I opened up the pretty blue packaging, it was the 5 travel soaps in a beautiful little bag there, and I didn't realize it, but one of them is a shampoo bar. Check that out. I cannot wait to try that out, and I'm thinking my son is going to like to try that out as well. Perfect for traveling. We've got turmeric, we've got the rosemary shampoo, rose geranium, and y'all know one of my favorite ever soaps is geranium melaleuca for keeping away acne, those big deep lesions of acne. So I'm really excited to try this out. Rose is one of the highest frequency flowers, so and that essential oil is very powerful. We've got lemon herb, and then we've got lavender. Y'all know I love some lavender. So let's open these up and see what we've got. All right, I'm realizing I should have waited to see. I should have looked up what these, what the medicinal properties of this are. I know that I use turmeric tea to help ease pain in my joints. So these, oh, I love that. Oh my goodness. Oh, that smells very nice and fresh. Very clean. All right, I want to mix them up. Let's see what we've got here for the rosemary. Worst unboxing video ever. Oh my goodness, that smells so good, y'all. That smells so good. It reminds me of the rosemary oil that I made, that I infused. I can actually show you that real quick because I have it right here. So what I did was I took the oil. I took a couple sprigs of rosemary from outside. I cooked on low, infused that one sprig with the oil, put it back in here with the other sprig in here, and it is so flavorful and makes the best, even though the bread's not on my eating plan, makes the absolute best garlic bread with that rosemary flavor, and then I've been using that with chicken and stuff too. All right, so then we have the lavender soap. Oh my goodness, I wish you guys could smell them because I know they look very similar, but they really do smell like they sound. Oh my goodness. Like I can definitely tell the lavender, and it just makes you feel relaxing just looking at it. So this one's lemon herb. Ooh, that one definitely has a brightness to it. And that was a very nice, clean, fresh smell to it. Very clean. I can't wait to take these. Look at how nice and cute they are. Like you can really take these with you on a trip. And I like the idea of the shampoo. Now I'm not sure how that's going to do on my ethnic hair, but you know I'm going to try it out, especially now that we're in summer. And so with all the wait, let me put that back in. With summer and all the traveling, I'm definitely going to try that out because I've been taking my son swimming. But look at this one, y'all. Just look at that. Oh, wow. Y'all remember when flowers used to smell pretty? You would get a bouquet of roses, you know, on a date or something, or your parents would buy a bouquet of roses, your dad would buy one for your mom, or somebody would buy one, and it just smelled gorgeous. You know, the ones they get now in the store, they don't smell gorgeous. This smells like the roses outside, y'all. Oh, my goodness. That's it. I'm probably going to go order a bunch of these. I'm going to use this one tonight. All right, well, there you have it. Here are my soaps that I've gotten from Puro Co. This is the 5 soap travel kit. And again, I got this free. Absolutely free, y'all, from the Ultimate Homemaking Kit bundle. With my purchase of the bundle, there were free bonuses, and this was one. I've got to say, by far, this is one of the best bonuses I've received from the Ultimate Bundles. Of course, that was my first one, but I am excited to try these out. I'm JJ Conway. Make sure you join me at jjconway.org, or you can take a free class at buildingwealthtogether.com.